Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into the crypto market, talking about what happened in the crypto market here just recently, as we see about a 9% decrease across the market in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin actually dropping below 43K and hitting that retest mark around 40 to 42K. We're seeing a lot of different problems in the crypto space right now. A lot of coins actually seeing anywhere from a 25 to 27% decrease. I want to jump though into why that's going on and what is going to be the next play of action. So the first thing we're going to jump into is a nice Reddit post here. So this actually explained it pretty well. What is going on? Somebody had a question on Reddit, and I had to look around a little bit, see if anyone had what they thought was the answer. And this is exactly what's going on yet again. Kind of more of a what we call a dip that is probably going to have a lot of bull rush in the end of it. And we're going to talk a little bit about that here as KSI actually mentions this. So this will be a 100% bear trap, drop to about 40 to 42K, and then boom, bull run again. I will say KSI crypto is not one that I follow very, very closely. I don't even know if I'm following, but this is specifically something I believe is happening. If we actually jump back over, we can see because the hedge funds know how to play the game and have basically no transaction costs, therefore they pull back when there are risks and replenish when the market seems to be at the bottom. Nothing changed for crypto itself. It's just global corps doing their thing. Of course, the impact is highly on relatively small market costs or really small market caps such as crypto. So you can see here how it's really changing this entire market as the big people or the whales can do what they want and really, make a fool out of a lot of us small crypto holders when we sell our coins for that lower price point and then buy back at higher price points. If we actually jump into this next Reddit post, this is only two Reddit posts we're going to be looking into today. This one talks about the 725 million in crypto liquidation in the last 24 hours. This is kind of just a reminder, guys. If you aren't absolutely loaded, you should not be putting too much money into these futures or these 10x kind of places. You really should not be doing this, and I can't stress this enough. I've seen so many of the viewers try to do these futures and try to put more money on the line than they should be and lose it all. So make sure to get in a spot where you're safe doing that if you are going to kind of take that risk farther. But that's kind of all I wanted to jump into there, because 725 million in crypto liquidation in the last 24 hours is absolutely huge. I want to jump over to this one. So this is actually huge. Fourth largest Bitcoin wallet adds 43,000 BTC and has never sold a BTC ever. So you can see here the time itself, the block it was on, and the amount. So 43,000 BTC, which, you can see there the price of that, quite a bit of money there. Just good to see that we are still having those whales buy up these coins. So we have more to jump into, though. Bitcoin tumbles nearly 9% and other cryptos crash as hawkish Fed minutes whack risky assets. So Bitcoin was down nearly 9% Thursday after the Federal Reserve released hawkish minutes Wednesday. Ethereum, Cardano, Binance Coin, Solana, and other cryptocurrencies were also deeply in the red. The Fed is planning to cut back its support for the economy, spelling trouble for risky assets. So a lot of people just basically saying, there's risk in this market. I'm taking my money out. We've, made quite a bit already. Let's wait until it's at a bottom that we believe is a bottom and, throw it back in and make some more money. So that's kind of the thought whales are having right now. Obviously, if you're not a whale, it's kind of hard to continually take your money out, put it back in, time the market. It's not easy for a lot of people, definitely when you don't have a ton of money to do it with. I want to jump, though, into this next article as well. So Bloomberg talks more about crypto Bitcoin declining to lowest level since December's flash crash. So flash crashes are something that has happened in the market many, many times. We've seen this happen previously, like we said, in December. It's actually happened, I believe, back in June. If we take a look here, we can actually go to let's go to the 1 year. You can see here, July, actually, sorry. It dropped down to below 30K, which is absolutely crazy. We had a flash crash in May, basically, a crash in November, December. So just, it's taken place before. This is not new. I want to jump into crypto.com before we talk about the latest and greatest of this crypto market crash. But if you guys are interested in buying more crypto or selling more crypto, this is the place to do it, crypto.com. I will have a link down in the description below, but it's the world's fastest growing crypto app. Join 10 million plus users buying and selling 200 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend with crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back, and grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. So there's a lot of reasons to actually use crypto.com. If you are looking for an exchange, they have all the listings here, 200 plus cryptocurrencies and 20 plus fiat currencies using bank transfers of your credit and debit card is absolutely huge. So if you want to use crypto.com, like I said, definitely take advantage of it. It's definitely one of the best exchanges out there for crypto, in my opinion. I want to jump, though, over to this next article. So we just talked about Bloomberg. There's another one talking on Forbes. So crypto price crash, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Cardano, and XRP are suddenly in freefall. They're just naming some of the top market cap coins. There's definitely more than just those that are in freefall. We're seeing a lot of altcoins really, really struggling in this last, like I said, really last couple of days. If we take a look, though, at the Bitcoin market crash, wiping billions off cryptocurrencies' value, sparking meltdown fears. So the popular cryptocurrency Bitcoin has plummeted by almost 10% in value, while the other crypto coins, such as Ethereum, have seen greater losses. Investors are terrified they'll lose money. Well, as an investor myself, I'm not really that terrified. If you guys have been in the market more than just a couple of months, you know that these things happen. You know that these things always end up to be actually on the greater side of things. So if you take a look and you zoom out, everyone always says zoom out, and that's probably the best advice you can give right now, is if you zoom out and look at the all-time, in a span of 4 to 5 years, we never pretty much go down. That's exactly what you're seeing here. So, after a dip, you always go back up. It pretty much just is a part of the game at this point. I do expect a lot of people that are new to the game, though, to be very, very hard to continue to hold your assets without selling. And that's why I'll say right now, I am not a financial advisor, so always do what you have your best, I guess, really do what is in your best interest is what I'm trying to say here. As like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not a really financial advisor, so do your own research before investing. Sorry about the little hiccup there. I'm also trying to look for another article I was going to bring up, but I actually don't have it up here. So, like I said, KSI, I'm not a big follower here, but this will be 100% a bear trap. Drop to about 40 to 42K, then boom, and bull run again. I still believe, like I said, that is definitely a possibility. If we jump over to my Twitter account as well, if we click on Crypto Profit YT, by the way, follow me there. I have been talking a lot about Link recently because it's one that I have a lot of belief in. So one thing I will note, guys, is a lot of people believe that Bitcoin is not going to be the main coin forever because it has not had that much different kind of upgrades and not much really kind of reason to believe it'll be the top market cap forever. As we can see, Ethereum's actually, just half of Bitcoin at this point in market cap, 405 compared to $813 billion. You can see that there's a lot of reasons to believe that, Cardano and, things like actually Chainlink. Let's do Chainlink as a specific example. If we go to the 1 year, you can see that Chainlink actually dropped down to about 1845 December 14th. It's at 2424. So it's not like every cryptocurrency has gone down during this flash crash as much as Bitcoin. And what I mean by that is if you put or compare Chainlink to Bitcoin, some of these coins have actually gone up against Bitcoin, and that's great to see actually taking place with altcoins, as we don't want every coin to follow each other for the rest of the crypto space eternity. So we're going to continue to talk about that a little bit more as we see more crypto flash crashes, I'm sure, in this 2022 year. We'll keep you up to date through it all. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on if you guys want to support me farther. There is a Patreon down in the description below, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.